So I'm going to show you how to make our famous sangria. It's so good. All right, you might want to gather these things. 3 liters of red wine, doesn't need to be fancy. Bottle of brandy, bottle of sweet vermouth, 2 liters of cranberry juice, 2 pints of OJ, 2 cups of sweet and sour mix, 2 cups lemonade, and fresh fruit. Really just get oranges, like 4 or 5 or 6 of them. First, you need 3 liters of wine. Red wine, doesn't really matter which kind. Just take the whole bag out of the box. And we're gonna let this whole thing drip into the great big jug. And yes, you will need one this big. I have no idea. Oh, yes, 2.5 gallon. Evacuation complete. Ooh. Evacuation Okay, you're also going to need a bottle of brandy and a bottle of sweet vermouth. Two liters of cranberry juice, and yes, 1.89 liters is fine. All right, you're gonna need 2 pints of orange juice, which means 4 cups. There's 2 cups. Two cups of this sweet and sour mix. It's getting full. 2 cups of lemonade. You're just a little bit off. It's not that big of a deal. Okay. And now we need a bunch of oranges, sliced up, rind left on. We've got these oranges that we've been using for old fashions, so I think I'll just use those. All right, got all of our oranges, and we're just gonna put them in here, and that is gonna be basically your last step. Last thing you're gonna add to your sangria. And you can put other fruit into it, but honestly, I think the oranges are the secret ingredient. I don't think it needs anything else. There you go. So you're gonna put the lid on that, and you're just gonna let it sit in your fridge for about 24 hours if you can. All right, the sangria has been percolating in the fridge for 24 hours now, so we're just gonna fill up a little glass. Okay, cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.